session. Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the remaining three tools, that is Hinge tool, Hinge Align and Flex tool. So let's start with the Hinge tool. So in Lego Digital Designer, the Hinge tool is used to rotate or move parts that are connected by hinges, or I can say joints. If I'm taking some examples like doors, arms, legs, or any kind of piece that can be bent or open. So this is the main point. Like if I want to bend something, if I want to rotate something, so we can use hinge tool there. Like for example, if I'm giving you one example, like I'm taking brick. Okay, let's start with this. With before brick, I'm going to take a mini structure I want to take from all the bricks. These are the mini legs. Yes. So this is the mini upper part which I want to take. You can see on the screen that this is the mini upper part, right? And now I want to take one tool. This is knife. Like for example, I want to take not this one. Yes, I think mini sword is okay for me. So I can take any sword. Like I'm taking this mini sword and I want to adjust here. Okay. And I want to change the color so that it will be in highlighted mode. This sword, I'm taking this gray one. Okay. And then I'm going to show you from the front. So the main purpose of hinge tool is to rotate the connected Lego parts around their hinge, right? So what is the role of hinge? Here is the hinge tool, this one. I'm taking it and I'm just putting this hinge tool where I want to rotate. So I want to rotate this sword, not hand, right? So otherwise I can't move it. If I'm connecting this sword here, so it's very difficult to rotate, right? Because it is connected part. So if I want to rotate it, so I want to put hinge here. And after that, you can see the green arrow is visible on the screen. Okay. So I can say it usually like a small curved arrow or a hinge symbol. We can say this symbol is hinge symbol. Okay. And the process to use of this symbol is very easy, just simple. Just select the hinge tool from the toolbar and click on the part or joint on which you want to move. Like I want to move this sword, so I'm putting this hinge tool here on the sword, right? So a rotation arc, this is the rotation arc, or we can say that's it's a green circle will appear around the hinge, wherever you put the hinge, right? And then drag your mouse. like this. Just drag your mouse. Now you can see the rotation, movement, which is not possible easily, and even not possible in the virtual mode, right? So this tool is providing us the same genre. And then after dragging the mouse, like to rotate the part to the desired position, release to fix it in place. आप जहां पर भी अपनी पोजीशन रखना चाहते हैं स्वर्ड की, आप वहां पर उसको रिलीज कर देंगे लाइक दिस. Now you can see, now you can see the like posture of the sword. It has completely uh, changed, right? So this is a simple example. Now I'm going to show you one more thing, which is completely related to the hinge tool. But before that, I'm going to select the single selection, and then I will go in the brick section. And through this, we will learn hinge tool, we will learn hinge align tool, and we will use flex tool. We are using all the things. So we will learn all the things through one model only. So here it is. This is the part which I want to extend. This is the brick which I want to extend so that I can find out the bricks. Yes, I hope this is technic brick which I want. Okay, I want another one. We can search in this section also. Okay, these all are the flat tiles. So this is not the same part which I want. I want to find out first. These all are the flat tiles. Okay. Okay, we'll change the theme. We'll go in the Lego Mindstorm and then we will check. Yes, here it is. This is what which I need, right? So I'll click on that and then I need to select any brick. Like I want to take this 7M. So it's the half. Yes, this is what which I need. That is Technic 15M. The size is 15M, and this is if I'm talking about the part, so it is a Technique beam, and I want to delete all these parts. Yes, this one and this one. Okay, so you can see I want to put this beam here, and by the help of connected selection tool, I'm putting this model here. Okay. And then what should I do? I need to do one thing. I will take three, complete three beams. So for that, we have a tool that is clone tool. Just click on that, put it here. Just click once again, put it here. So you can see two more copies are also available. And then you need to select the single selection tool and put this beam here, and this one is here, right? And then you have to find out connector peg, because this is the part, by the help of this we can assemble the things. You need to assemble here, yes, so that you can adjust two beams like this. Okay, but I want this in a different condition. Like I want to rotate. Okay. Yes, I want this in this condition. Yes, I'm putting here, and same. I want this in different condition. Yes, and then put it here. Okay. I'm going to minimize this so that you can see in a better way. Yes. And then I need to set it in between. Yes, it's perfect now. So this is which I want to prepare, and then I need one more connector pad and I want to put it here. Okay. So what is the role of hinge tool here? This is the important thing. So I'm going to show you. Like I'm taking the hinge tool and I'm putting the hinge tool here. Now you can see I'm ready to move this brick easily. Like if I want, because अगर आपका पॉइंट कनेक्शन में है देन यू कांट रोटेट. अगर वो सिंगल है देन यू कैन मूव इन एनी डायरेक्शन, राइट, अप डाउन लेफ्ट राइट. बट अगर वो पार्ट कनेक्ट हो चुका है विद द कनेक्टर पैग, कनेक्शन में आ चुका है, असेंबल हो चुका है, देन इट्स वेरी बिट डिफिकल्ट टू rotate in virtual mode. So this tool will help us. Now my thought is like I want to rotate this brick and I want to assemble here. So how it is possible? Yes, it's possible, because I have applied hinge tool here, and now if I'm dragging the mouse towards the green arrow, you can see rotation is okay, right? And now if I'm applying once again here hinge, then this symbol is also help us. It will also help us, like if I'm rotating this clock uh, wise symbol, like clock symbol kind of we have, so we can rotate this also. Okay, but we need to apply on a single brick, not both. Otherwise, it will move both parts together. Now you can see, you can rotate completely. Just like जैसे हम नॉर्मल फिजिकल किसी पार्ट को अपने हैंड से मूवमेंट देते हैं, तो सेम वो आपको एक वर्चुअल मोड में भी प्रोवाइड करता है थ्रू हिंज टूल. And now if I'm putting here, now you can see like this. You can assemble easily. I hope my point is clear to you. Now, the main thing, the very important thing, now we'll go back. I'm doing Control Z. Yes, now this is the initial position. राइट, ये वो इनिशियल पोजीशन है जिससे हमने स्टार्ट किया था. नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू द रोल ऑफ द hinge align tool. Okay, let's discuss about the hinge align tool. Actually, what is the function, or we can say that the main role of this hinge align tool we are going to discuss. So in LDD or in Lego Digital Designer, the hinge align tool is a special tool, not like a simple tool. It's a special tool that helps us automatically align two hinge parts. Like if I'm talking about one is hinge part is this and another is this, then we can align automatically both parts, so they connect perfectly, right, without manually adjusting angles. So the main purpose of a hinge align tool is to automatically align two or more parts that are connected by hinges, such as again, door example we have, wings example we have, आर्म्स का भी हमने डिस्कस किया, जस्ट लाइक अ स्वॉर्ड, राइट. तो इस तरीके के कुछ एग्जांपल्स हम ले सकते हैं. इवन आई एम शोइंग यू थ्रू द टेक्निक बीम ऑल्सो. I'm applying all these three tools in a single model. Okay. And if I'm talking about the icon of the hinge align tool, so it look like two hinge pieces with a line between them. Okay. And if I'm talking about the procedure to use hinge align tool, so that is what we need to select. Simple. It's just like a hinge tool. We need to it's the minor differences there in the procedure. Firstly, select the hinge align tool from the toolbar, right? And then click on the first hinge part. आप जहां से उसको hinge करना चाहते हैं, rotate करना चाहते हैं, and then click on the second hinge part that should match it. जहां उसको मैच करना चाहते हैं, लाइक दिस इज माय फर्स्ट पोजीशन जहां से मैं कनेक्टिविटी देना चाहती हूँ, और कहाँ देना है, कहाँ मुझे असेंबल करना है, यहाँ. दिस इज द सेकेंड पार्ट, सेकेंड एरिया ऑफ द हिंज. So I will click on that to match it, right? And I'm not performing anything. It is doing completely automatic. So LDD will automatically adjust the angle so that both parts align perfectly. You can see I'm not doing any task after adjusting the angles of the hinge. Okay, I'm repeating once again. So this is the last action and I'm applying hinge align tool here, right? And then here. Now you can see. Okay, because हमने hinge tool को नहीं remove किया, that's why it is rotating. Are you getting my point? Now you can see. Okay, I hope my point is clear to you. एंड इवन हम अलग स्लॉट्स भी चूज कर सकते हैं, हम उसको भी हिंज कर सकते हैं. अगर मैं फर्स्ट उसको सिलेक्ट करूंगी देन उसको, तो ये आपको शो करेगा, राइट, लाइक दिस. Okay, we need to minimize first and then applying hinge. Yes. I hope this thing is clear to you. Now, the third thing that is very important, it's a flex tool. So what should I do? Like I need to assemble here. So I'm just doing this thing. Oh, it is, you can see here, I'm applying on the connector peg. So only connector peg is moving, but I want to move this beam. Yes, just like this. Yes. Now I'm using some black color of connector pads here, like in this way. Now I'm going to tell you about the role of the flex tool, like why we are using this tool in the LDD. That is very important. Okay, so let's understand the flex tool first, and then we will understand the function of the flex tool. So basically, in Lego Digital Designer, the flex tool is used to bend or shape flexible Lego elements, because these are the hard elements. These are not flexible elements. Some kind of elements, or I can say some parts we have in this category in flexible way, right? Such as like cables, strings, or chains, right? So the main purpose of flex tool is to bend or shape flexible parts, not hard parts, ओके, इनटू रियलिस्टिक पोजीशंस. बिकॉज अगर हम किसी हार्ड पार्ट को बेंड करेंगे, अगर मैं किसी स्टिक को बेंड करूंगी, तो ऑब्वियसली इट विल ब्रेक, वो टूटेगी, राइट? बट अगर मैं किसी फ्लेक्सिबल पार्ट को बेंड करूंगी तो वो एक शेप ले लेगा. ओके, तो वो रियल एक्चुअल फील एलडीडी हमें वर्चुअल मोड में प्रोवाइड करता है. एंड इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द लुकिंग ऑफ दैट फ्लैक्स टूल, सो इट लुक्स लाइक अ कर्व्ड और वेवी लाइन. Okay, and what is the procedure to use this? So it's quite simple. Just select the flex tool from the toolbar first, and then click on the flexible part. But for that, we need a flexible part also. So we will find out one part, and we'll find out through the name of pipe. I hope we'll get it. Yes. Uh, mhm. Yes, it's good. So we can move like this. And then from here, I want to bend it. From here, I want to like change the shape. So it's a simple thing. Small control point we have, that is like flex tool. Just click there. Okay. Will appear along the part. Okay. It's not selected. Yes, I think this pipe. Okay, I'm going. to apply flex tool on this. If I'm selecting flex tool and I'm applying on this, okay, we can do one thing, just remove it from here. Right, it's not working. Let me check. So all are corrugated pipe. The process is same. Maybe we can do one thing. We can create a fresh file, or yes, we can stop it. I'm applying flex here. What happened? If I'm applying, okay, so that's it means flex tool is not working. Otherwise, function is same. You will go in the same way. Just click on the flex tool and then click on the selected part and drag and move your pipe anywhere. Every function is working, only tool is not working, maybe. Yes, everything is working. So process is same. Student, select the flex tool from the toolbar and then click on that flexible part. One white dot will appear along the part which is not showing here. Maybe some issue in this. Okay. So you will check from your end because process is same. Okay. So this is all about the hinge tool, hinge alignment tool, and flex tool. I hope these things are clear to you. Yes, it's working now. You can see here. You can see you can bend it and easily. This is a flexible part. You can bend it easily, right? So you can adjust this part accordingly. Like if I'm taking one brick, I want to take it. Again, I'll go in the another theme that is a Lego Mindstorm and in which like I'm taking this one for example, right? And I'm taking one connector pack, this one. Same I want to put here, this one. And then I'm taking this like big, yes, in this way. I'm going to minimize it and yes, I'm going to use flex tool. Yes, so we can rotate like this. Okay, we can adjust in this way. Like इस तरीके से हम कोई फ्लेक्सिबल पार्ट को बेंड करके यूज करना चाहते हैं, so we can use in this way. So it's completely up to us. Okay, हम इसको कहाँ एडजस्ट करना चाहते हैं. I hope now this flex tool is clear to you. So this is all about hinge tool, hinge align tool, and flex tool.